Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to install TikTok on your PC. To install TikTok you can go to any browser. For now I am choosing Microsoft Edge browser. So here in the search bar, let's search TikTok download. As we are downloading TikTok, scroll down until you find TikTok for Windows. So here you can see install on Windows. So click on it. Now it will navigate you to the Microsoft Store. As you can see, install button. Now click on it. Now it starts downloading. As you can see, our TikTok app has been successfully downloaded on our PC. So let's click on open. Here you can see your TikTok app has been successfully downloaded on your PC. To start, you can sign up and use the TikTok app on your PC. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.